Welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Nifarich, and if you are returning, welcome back. So this vlog is basically about just a day in my life. I'm already dressed, so we're going out to eat with my youngest sister. Apart from Carly, I have another sister. She's 13, so we're going out to eat and just get some bits and stuff because she's going back to school soon, so it's like a little mini sister date. So we're going to go and I'll take you guys along with me. So I am going to pick her up first, and then we'll take the train to a place called Stratford. You guys wouldn't know what that is, but if you know, you know, and if you don't know, you know now. We'll go together, okay? Yeah, so that's that. I am all dressed. I'm literally just wearing a jeans and a top and just casual. I'm just touch up my face with a little bit of like foundation. You guys know I'm not a professional makeup person. We just try a thing here and there. So yes, we are going to make our way to Stratford, and you guys feel free. By the way, guys, I have mini twists in. This was done by the one and only TT. Big up herself. And I actually love them. I probably get them today again. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye. But it's raining, so we have to get inside. So guys, we are here, but it's raining. I picked Isla up and we just got here now, so let's get inside. Hi guys, so we have made it to Stratford, and the first thing we're gonna do is eat because we are hungry and there's too many people, so let's just calm our nerves. So we are at GBK. We are at GBK. Okay, let's get comfy. Isla, what you having?
I'm thinking classic chicken with an Oreo shake.
Oreo shake? Ew. Strawberry caramel. I don't know, how do you guys do shake stuff? I hate stuff like that.
It's like some skinny fries.
Do you want to share some sides? We could share like 4 crispy rings.
£6.
Baby girl, I got you. What? Don't worry about that, honey. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Chicken.
I'm gonna get it.
Find a way to dodge these issues, can't shaking out for nothing. Calling me when not discussing all that screaming, yeah.
Guys, so the food is here. I had a classic cheeseburger, and Isla copied me and also got a classic cheeseburger. So we're both having classic cheeseburgers, and yeah, let's see how it tastes. Let's get into it. Oh, it's steak.
Be nice.
Yeah.
They were drinking with the steak.
It's sliding out of the thing. This burger is actually nice. I'm not gonna lie. Also I got an Oreo milkshake, and I got a J2 because I'm a boring babe. But the milkshake was actually so good, I'm not gonna lie. fries are cold though. They're not like hot fries.
No, my ones are like, hey. Yours are cold.
Also, guys, we got 50% off because I'm that girl. All right, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was going in. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you for the food.
Thank you, Lord, for the food. And thank me for paying for it. Hi guys, so Ilo's in the back and we just ate the food. How's the food, Ilo? 10. Yeah, the burgers was 10 and we got 50% off, period, because as I said, I am that. Repeat after me. I am that. Girl. Period. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna find Isla her pencil case for school and see if we could get her ears pierced as well, so we could tag along. See you soon.
Find a way to dodge these issues. Can't shake it out for nothing. Discussing all that screaming, and it's not becoming to you. Things just can't be fixed
Right here before they changed. They changed it to Italian. It's a different place here.
No, you know
from what I used to be lit back in the day. Not anymore. Anyways, let me and we made friends with everyone in there.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm not. Actually, it's actually nice. It is like wasabi.
It has a nice feel to it. You can cut it out. Guys, we are school shopping. Alright. So we got highlights. Some black point pen. I think.
An organizer on my desk.
Right.
And a Rick.
She didn't even know what it was. Let's go. Hold it. Thank you. You don't need anything else? We are paying. I know you paying for all this because I ain't.
There's no thing on this.
You better put it down then. Oh, that's stealing. Girl, what are you doing? Alright. Guys, so we are back again. Now we're going to find somewhere for Isla to get her second piercing. And of course, I called her mom. I was like, is she allowed? Her mom said yes. So I'm going to take her. And hopefully there's no one there to do it. Because I didn't want to do it.
Don't put it into the universe.
Isla, the sun is out. Yay.
Sun's up, mom.
Guys, we are 2 minutes away from getting Isla's ears pierced. And she is nervous, but I'm bored. I feel our business. So So now I have to fill out a consent form. At my big age, I only have one piercing. I should get a second one. Girl, leave me alone. Alright, not now. But let's go.
Okay guys, she's filling out my parental form and I'm very nervous because I don't remember when I got my ears pierced last time, so I don't know how bad it hurts. So yeah. Hold on. What do you think of where I put it? See if I did wrong. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
I know your face is not in it, don't you? Guys, so she now has a second piercing. She's better than me. I only have one. Let me see. Hi, sorry. So she thinks she's good now, and I'm gonna slap her up one day, I promise. But I'm next in the future. I'll get a nose one. I'm not scared or anything. I just don't know when I want to get one. You get what I mean?
Alright.
But yeah, I feel like that's us. Thanks for spending the day with us.